Hello, sir. How are you doing?
I'm doing very well.
Good, good. Which country are you from?
Zambia.
Zambia. And you were representing which side?
No, I'm an analyst. I was representing the international community.
Okay, and what is your name, sir?
Dr. Charles Sinkala, international relations consultant.
Right. So, please, can you give us a breakdown of what has happened here?
Yes, there has been a dispute in terms of the burial arrangement and the repatriation of the body of the former president of Zambia.
Okay.
They couldn't put into consensus of the agreement which they had on the 5th of June 2025 when the former president died, and subsequently they had to bring the matter to court by the Zambian government.
Okay.
The family submits that they should bury in South Africa. But the government submitted that because since it's a state funeral, they cannot hold a funeral in another state, and the body should be repatriated back to Zambia. And both parties had to put their papers in order, and there was a litigation which happened on Monday. And the decision has been that the family must hand over the body to the embassy of the Republic of Zambia, because the declaration of state funeral by the president of Zambia that is binding, and that the funeral should be conducted in Zambia like the precedence which has been taken on the former president, where President Lungu shall be put to rest in dignity and with protocol.
Okay, so I was talking to family representatives here just now, and they were saying that they are going to appeal. Is there a possibility of this appeal, and what does this mean?
Yes, they can appeal. This is the High Court. They can go to Supreme Court of Appeal, and if they are not satisfied with the Supreme Court of Appeal, they may go to the Constitutional Court, where they can put up their position in terms of this matter.
Okay.
But the only worry is, the dragging of this issue. I think if they appeal, it shall still bring those tensions, and these appeals may take longer. As we are aware, the body still lies in rest.
Okay, so is the judge clearly said the rules or the law that appeal is relevant is the one of Zambia in a conflict of laws. Do you think the appeal will be done here? What do you think? You're a consultant. I'm asking you your opinion. I know that it's a legal opinion, but what do you think will happen in that case? Would the judge have to rule, the Constitutional Court have to rule on the statement by the judge that the rules that are relevant are those of Zambia?
Well, I can give you a legal opinion. I'm a practicing attorney. The judgment has been handed down in South Africa, and hence any appeal has to be appealed within the jurisdiction of South Africa. They can go to the Supreme Court of Appeal, and they can go to the Constitutional Court. This would be on the basis on the repatriation side. Remember, there's two matters. The family cites that the president should not be part and parcel of the state funeral in Zambia.
Yes.
And that only the laws of Zambia should apply, because the South African court cannot say whether or not who should attend the burial of the former president of Zambia.
Yes.
The matter that has been dealt with by the court of South Africa is that there was an agreement after the death of the former president that the body shall be repatriated, and in the last minute the family had to change that they don't want the body to be repatriated to South Africa, and it is on those bases that the court has decided that they must stick to the first arrangement that they had, which is binding, and it was in writing.
Okay, is there anything else that you would like to say?
To the family, this has been a very emotional day and sad, especially to most of the Zambian people. Others expected, the ruling to be on the other side against the government of the Republic of Zambia. But my only appeal that let us have this healing, so that the body can be repatriated back to Zambia, and many other Zambian people can have access, and attend the funeral to offer the dignified and protocol funeral, as it has been classified as a state funeral in Zambia and not elsewhere. I share the opinion, the consideration of the family, but I also share the opinion of the consideration of the public interest, as what the judge has indicated.
Thank you very much. Please, can you just state your name again and your organization?
Dr. Charles Sinkala, International Relations Consultant.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.